Hello children, namaste, namaste everyone. How are you? Hope you are keeping fine at home. Dear children, in our last videos, we have taken one chapter from arithmetic, that is arithmetic progression. And in the last video, we have studied one chapter from geometry, is about the circles, and two theorems we have studied, isn't it? So, in both the chapters from arithmetic progression as well as circles, many questions are there. That questions we will solve after the regular reopening of the school. What you have seen, what you have studied, what you have watched in our video, we just go through that in your textbook. So try to understand some of the concepts of that. Regarding the problems, we will learn in our regular class. Okay. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ವರಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ ನೀವು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಟೈಪ್ನ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಆ ನಂತರ ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡುವ. ಈಗ ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬಟ್ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಐ ಸೆಂಡ್, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಟು ಡೂ ಇಸ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಫೇರ್ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್. ಒಂದು ಚಂದದ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನು ರಫ್ ಕೈ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಸಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್, ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಬೈ ಯು and you have to write you have to answer to that questions. And in last week we have conducted one test, small test. Many of you have written very neatly and you have scored more marks, good marks you have scored out of 20, isn't it? I congratulate all of you and try to understand, try to do such type of problems in by searching some questions from your textbook. Okay, ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಬರೀ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ನನಗೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಆದಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಈಗ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಒನ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅರಿಥಮೆಟಿಕ್, algebra, arithmetic, geometry, and today let us take one chapter from algebra. Okay, this is a question, a chapter from algebra is about, it is there in another part, that is second textbook, mathematics second textbook is about quadratic equations. Quadratic equations. So from there in another book you have to search that one chapter is there about quadratic equation. Okay, let us see what is this quadratic equation. I hope you have studied in your previous classes also. In 8th and 9th standard also you have heard this word quadratic equation. See, before that you have studied about linear equation. What is the meaning of linear equation? An equation of this form, see, x plus 5 is equal to 8. This is a linear equation. This is a variable, x is a variable, and this is equation. Equation yake the equal sign ಇದೆ. So you know the difference between expressions and equations. Expression is just an expressing. It is expression. See, 2x is an expression, monomial expression. ಒಂದೇ term ಇರುತ್ತೆ. If there are two, see, 2x minus 3 plus 3, it is an expression. Why 2x plus 3 ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ. It is a binomial expression. One plus or minus sign is there in the middle, that is binomial. So that is what we have studied, expression. Suppose the expressions are equal by representing by equality sign like this, that is called equation. About linear equations you have studied in the smaller classes. Linear equation ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. Linear equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ the variable has the power 1. Today let us see an equation with equation mean quadratic equation. Quadratic means an equation, for example, an equation, if you write the general form, it is in this form. See, x square, how many x square? Ax square. A means one number, plus bx plus c is equal to 0. See, equation, why it is a equal sign is there, is equal to 0. Then it is called a standard form of the quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c, where a and b and c, a b c are real numbers, and a is not equal to 0. a ಅನ್ನೋದು 0 ಆಗಬಾರದು, b 0 ಆಗಬಹುದು, c ಕೂಡ 0 ಆಗಬಹುದು, but a should not be equal to 0. Therefore, the standard form of the quadratic equation or an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, such an equation is called quadratic equation where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. b and c, what about b and c? It may be 0, no problem. Here the equation has the highest power, variable has the highest power 2. Quadratic equation alli variable ಏನು? x is the variable here. See ax square, b, a, b, c are real numbers. x is the variable. Variable has highest power 2. So what is the degree of the quadratic equation? Power is called degree also. So degree of the quadratic equation is 2. Highest degree 2. Okay. Okay. This is about quadratic equation. But the quadratic equations are of two types. One is pure quadratic equation, pure quadratic, and another one is adfactor quadratic equation. Eradiye pure and adfactor quadratic equation. What is this adfactor quadratic equation and pure quadratic equation? See, as I said now, ax square, I will give an example. I will write instead of a 5x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. See here a, b, c are real numbers. See a, in the place of a 5 is there, in the place of b 3 is there, in the place of c 2 is there. cx anta barudhu odu sankhye iruttade. c is a real number. So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Look at this, pure quadratic equation. Suppose any equation has 0, if b and c are 0, now b equation is 0 bರುತ್ತೆ. Again, what happens that equation? a should not be equal to 0. Standard form of the quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. But a 0 ಆಗಬಾರದು, ಇದು 0 ಆಗಬಾರದು, ಇದು 0 ಆಗಬಹುದು. ಆಗ ಏನಾಯಿತು? 5x square plus 0 into x. 0 into x means what? It is 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, plus 0 ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. It becomes what? 5x square is equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು equation ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ax square is equal to 0. ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಏನಾಯಿತು? What happens? ax square is equal to b 0. Therefore, if the equation of the form ax square is equal to 0 ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 0 ಗೆ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಉಂಟು ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ax square is equal to some numbers is equal to 5x square is equal to 100 ಅಂತ ಉಂಟು. ಈಗ this is a pure quadratic equation. 0 ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ b ಮತ್ತು c ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು pure quadratic equation, it is called as pure quadratic equation. Therefore, a pure quadratic equation ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, a equation having the variable in second degree only, second degree only, okay, second degree only, such an equation is called pure quadratic equation. On the other side, if the equation of the form, ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈಗ 3x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here see the power of the variable here is 2 and power of the variable is 1. Not only 2, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ, ಅದೇ variable is x, 2x to the power 1. Therefore, the quadratic equation having the variable in both second degree and first degree is called adfactor quadratic equation. Therefore, adfactor quadratic equation has the variable second degree as well as first degree, but pure quadratic equation has the power 2. That means in second degree only. That is the difference. But usually we can say this is the general form of the quadratic equation. ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the standard form of the quadratic equation. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ quadratic equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ನ ಪವರ್ 2 ಇರಬೇಕು. 2ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ರೆ 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು quadratic equation ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Now we have to check whether the given problems are quadratic equation or not. See, for example, first one problem, look at this. Let us check whether it is quadratic equation or not. So what is the condition to be a quadratic equation? When we can call equation as quadratic? If the power of the variable is maximum power of the variable must be 2. 2 ಗಿಂತ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇದ್ರೆ it is not, ಅಥವಾ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ it is not quadratic equation. If the power has 3 it is not quadratic equation, but highest power 2 ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 1 ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗಬಹುದು, it becomes a pure quadratic equation. Look at this, x plus 1 square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. Here is one question. Well, check whether it is a quadratic equation or not. Here power to variable power alla, x plus 1 whole square anta bartidare, so it is not the power of the variable. Whether it is quadratic equation or not, we have to check. See, x plus 1 whole square, how we can solve this x plus 1 whole square? It is in the form of a plus b whole square, isn't it? A plus b whole square. We have studied one identity. What is that identity? A identity. X plus 1 whole square or a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means what? Or x plus y whole square means? We have studied a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Suppose if you apply here, a plus b whole square is equal to a square. It is a square plus b square. 1 square is 1 plus 2ab, 2 into x into 1. 2 into x is 2x. 2x into 1 is 2x. Sorry. It becomes what? X plus 1 whole square is equal to x square plus 1 plus 2x is equal to, let us solve the right hand side. 2 into x plus minus 3. The meaning is 2 into x minus 2 into 3. So 2 into x is 2x. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Now what you have to do? Carry all the terms this side, keep 0 that side. 0 in the right hand side. What happens? X square plus 1 plus 2x already there. Carry this terms also to the left hand side. If 2x is carried from right hand side to left hand side, it becomes plus 2x becomes minus 2x. If minus 6 is carried from right hand side to left hand side, it becomes plus 6. You know the sign changes. If you carry a term from one side to another side, the sign of the term it changes. So plus 2x becomes minus 2x, minus 6 becomes plus 3x. Is equal to sign there itself, and what is remaining in the right hand side? 0 is remaining. Let us solve x square, only x square, no like term, so x square. This one finished. Okay, here 2x is there and minus 2x. What is the answer of this? No x. 2x minus 2x is equal to 0. Nothing is there. And 1 among 6 is there. 1 plus 6. What is the answer? 7. 1 x square plus 7. Told it is equal to 0. X square plus 7 is equal to 0. Or x square if is 0, if you carry that side, it becomes x square is equal to minus 7. Can you say this is a quadratic equation? Can you say? Yes, it is a quadratic equation. Why? The variable has the power 2, x square plus 7. Therefore, we can say this is a quadratic equation. So, if one expression is given like this or equation is given like this, we can check whether it is quadratic equation or not. To say it is a quadratic equation, there must be the power, highest power of the variable must be 2. ಎರಡು ಎನ್ನುವ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೋಡೋಣ. x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Whether it is x square ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಾಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. You have to bring that to the general form or standard form. Standard form ಗೆ ತರಬೇಕು. Standard form ಗೆ ತರುವಾಗ it becomes x square plus bx plus c. It is not in that form. Some expressions are there in the left hand side and right hand side. You have to bring that expressions to one side and you have to keep 0 in another side. Okay? Yes. Now this becomes 2x. Let us solve what is there in the right hand side. Minus 2 into 3 minus x. Minus 2 into 3. What is minus 2 into 3? That is 2 into 3 is 6. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. Minus 2 into minus x. Minus into minus plus 2 into x is 2x. It becomes like this, isn't it? Therefore, carry that all the terms this side. X square minus 2x plus x becomes minus x becomes plus x plus 2x becomes minus 2x. If we carry from right hand side to left hand side and keep 0 in the right hand side is equal to 0. We can write like this. So x square only one term minus 2x minus 3x. What is the answer of minus 3x minus 3x? Total minus 4x. Both also minus 4x plus 6. Look at this. So the equation becomes like this. So x square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. So this is one quadratic equation. This is a adjective quadratic equation. See here. The equation has the power 2 as well as 1. It is not pure, it is adjective quadratic equation, isn't it? I told in the beginning, pure and adjective quadratic equation. Okay, therefore we can say this is also a quadratic equation. Okay, just to check, not to find the value. Because ಈ x ನ value ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ find ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರೆ methods ಇದೆ. Some of the methods you have studied in your previous classes also. Usually by factorization method you can solve this equation, quadratic equation, and few more methods you are going to learn this year. Okay, that methods we will learn later. It's enough whether just to check this class is only whether it is quadratic equation or not to check. See, x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. Another equation. Look at this. Here there is no square, you cannot find here. But after solving it, whether it becomes to the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 form. Let us check. X minus 2 into x minus plus 1. Here the meaning is, you can use many identities are there. X plus a into x plus b, like that one identity is there. Otherwise you can use x into this one first and minus 2 by this. You can multiply in the beginning one of the terms to this and by next term to this. First let us multiply by this x to this. What happens? X into x square. X into plus 1 next. Correct? This one finish. Next minus 2 ಇದರಿಂದ multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಎರಡು ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇದರಿಂದ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎರಡನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಂದ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That's the meaning. Otherwise from this x you have to multiply whole term and by this again you have to multiply whole term. But that's also okay. Now x I have multiplied by this x to both the term. X into x square, x into 1x. Then by minus 2 let us multiply. Minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus 2 into 1, minus 2. So this is answer. In the left hand side it comes like this. In the other side, in the right hand side also, x into x is x square, x into plus 3 is plus 3x, minus 1 into x is minus 1x, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. It becomes like this, isn't it? ಹೀಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅದು. ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಎಡಬದಿಗೆ ತನ್ನಿ. Let us carry all the terms to the left hand side, keep 0 in the right hand side. What happens that one? X square plus x minus 2x minus 2. Carry this x square again, it becomes minus x square. Carry this plus 3x this side, it becomes minus 3x. Carry this minus x this side, it becomes plus x. Minus 3 becomes plus 3 is equal to 0. 0 ಅನ್ನು ಬಲಬದಿಗೆ ಇಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು 0 ದಿಂದ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂದ ಎಡಬದಿಗೆ ತಂದೆ. ಈಗ what happens this one? See, x square ಇನ್ನೊಂದು x square ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. What is the answer? X square minus x square 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ x square ಗಳಿಲ್ಲ. 0 x square. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ x square ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಲ್ಲವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಯಿತು. 0 ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ. Okay. X minus 2x. What is the answer? 1x minus 2x minus 1x. Correct? 1x minus 2x minus 1x minus 1x minus 3x. Total minus 4x minus 4x plus 1x minus 4x plus 1x. ಇದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? minus 3x. ಮುಗಿತಲ್ಲ? minus 3x ಅಂತ ಉಳಿಯಿತು. ಇಷ್ಟು ಮುಗಿಯಿತು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಇದೆ. one number is there. What is that number? See, minus 2 plus 3. What is the answer? Minus 2 plus 3. What is the sum of that? Or what is the solution for that? Minus 2 plus 3 minus plus 1 is equal to 0. The one. Minus 3x plus 1. If you solve this, you will get minus 3x plus 1. Can you say it is a quadratic equation? No, it is not a quadratic equation. Why it is not a quadratic equation? Because the power of the highest power of the variable x is 1 here, not 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಏನಂತ ಪವರ್ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಪವರ್ is 1. therefore x square ಅನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ this is not a quadratic equation. It is not a quadratic equation. Then what type of equation is this? This is just a linear equation. Linear equation has the power 1. It is not a quadratic equation. ನಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಏನು? just to check whether the given equation is quadratic or not. Okay, this is not a quadratic equation. Okay, next we will see. Let us check one more like this. See, let us check one more. X minus 3 3x, same type of question we will do it later. Before that, let us learn to verbal questions. Let us write the quadratic form, or how to write a equation, how to write the equation, quadratic equation for that. Look at the first question here. Area of a rectangular plot is 528. Rectangular plot, rectangle means like this, isn't it? Area of this is 528 square meter. This square meter. Area one ಯಾವುದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. So 528 square meter, square unit. Okay. The length of the plot is 1 more than twice the breadth. Length ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು breadth ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Length of the plot ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. What is the area of the rectangle? Formula to find the area of the rectangle is length into breadth, isn't it? Area of the rectangle is length into breadth. ಇದನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಏರಿಯಾ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ 528 ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಆದರೆ 2 is given. Whatever length, the length of the plot is 1 more than the breadth. ನಮಗೆ ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಲೆಂತ್ ಒಂದು 25 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, 1 more than twice the breadth ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. 25 ಆಗಿದೆ, ಲೆಂತ್ 25 ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್ 25 ಆದ್ರೆ ಲೆಂತ್ ಒಂದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಅದರ ಟ್ವೈಸ್ ನ ಒಂದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. 25 ನ ಟ್ವೈಸ್ 50, 50 plus 1 51 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಗಾಗಿ if you take the breadth as x, let the breadth be x, what about the length? Then length becomes how much? Tell me. If it is x, ಇದು x ಆದ್ರೆ 1 more than the twice the breadth, 1 more than twice the breadth. If breadth is x, then length becomes 1 more than 2 times of the breadth. So length ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, breadth ನ twice ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 times of x plus 1, it becomes like this, isn't it? So this is a proof. The length of the plot is 1 more than the breadth, twice the breadth. Now tell me, area of the rectangle given. Now this is x is equal to breadth and 2x plus 1 is equal to length. Therefore, ಇದನ್ನು ಎರಡನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, 2x plus 1 length into breadth is equal to 528. This is the equation, see. But here whether it is, let us bring that onto the quadratic form, whether it is quadratic equation or not. See, the meaning is 2x plus 1 into x means by this x you have to multiply to both the terms, 2x plus 1. Multiply x into 2x, it becomes 2x into x, 2x square plus 1 into x plus 1x is equal to 528, isn't it? So if you bring that 528 also to the left hand side, it becomes minus 528. X 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. See, you can find out now what is x, what is the length and breadth. That is another class we will see. Now it is the form of quadratic equation. How to find the value we will see in another class. Different methods are there. Using different methods you can do this question. Look at another question here. See here, the product of two consecutive integers is 306. How to form a quadratic equation for this question? The product of two consecutive, product means multiplication. Product andre answer of two multiplication by multiplying two numbers or any term. See, product of two consecutive integers is 306. Here one is there, The answer is 306. So this is the question. Now what are that consecutive integers? Now what is the meaning of consecutive? Kramanugata, consecutive. Suppose one integer is x, another integer is x plus 1 ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್, ಒಂದು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ 35 ಆದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಯಾವುದು 36 ಅಥವಾ 34 ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇದರ ಮುಂದಿನದು. ಕ್ರಮಾನುಗತ ಒಂದಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು. Consecutive integers is 3 not 6. See, let one integer be x, then other integer becomes x plus 1. Now what is their question? The product of that consecutive integers x into x plus 1 is equal to 306. See like this, the question is like this. So x into x, x square, x into 1x is equal to 306. Therefore x plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. Whether it is quadratic equation? Whether it is a quadratic equation? Yes, it is a quadratic equation. Why? The variable has the power 2. X square, it has x square. X plus x illadiru agtade, no problem. But x square annodadu iralebeku. Therefore, it is a quadratic form of the equation. Okay. Next, one more thing. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. How to form an equation to this? Rohan's mother is 26 older than him. Rohan's mother 26. ಈಗ ರೋಹನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮದರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇಬ್ಬರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ರೋಹನ್ and mother. Rohan's mother is 26 older than him. What is the meaning? 26 ವರ್ಷ ದೊಡ್ಡವರು. ರೋಹನ್ಗಿಂತ 26 ವರ್ಷ ದೊಡ್ಡವರು ರೋಹನ್ನ ಮದರ್. ಈಗ ರೋಹನ್ x ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ರೋಹನ್ ಮದರ್ಗೆ x plus 26 ಹೌದಾ, x into 12 x plus 26 ವರ್ಷ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ರೋಹನ್ಗೆ 5 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ರೆ ರೋಹನ್ ಮದರ್ಗೆ 5 plus 5 plus 26 is equal to 31 years. Rohan 1 year, mother has 27 years. Like that. Okay, 26 years older than him. Rohan's age x, present age, mother's age x plus 1. The product of their ages 3 years from now. Ega this is present age. Present age of Rohan is x years. Present age of my mother is x plus 20 years. Product of their ages from now, 3 years from now. 3 years from now, what about 3 years from now? What about Rohan's age? 3 years from now. ಇವತ್ತಿನ 3 ವರ್ಷದ ನಂತರ ರೋಹನ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? ಇವತ್ತು x ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು 5 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ರೆ 3 ವರ್ಷದ ನಂತರ 5 plus 3 8 years ಆಗ್ತದೆ. If it is 2 years now, after 3 years 2 plus 3 5 years. If it is x years now, what is the age of, what will be the age of Rohan after 3 years? It becomes x plus 3. Is it that? What about her age, mother's age? X plus 26 already present age. After 3 years, what about her age? Again 3 years added. So x plus 26 plus 3 is equal to how much? X plus 29 ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಹೌದಾ. So after 3 years her age becomes 29. What is the clue? The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 306. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 3 ವರ್ಷದ ನಂತರ ಅವರ ನೋಡಿ x plus 3 product of their ages x plus 29 will be 306. This is the condition. See, product of their ages from 3 years from now will be 306. So this is the condition. So if you solve this, you can say whether it is a quadratic equation or not, isn't it? Therefore this is a quadratic equation or not. See, x plus 3 into x plus 26 is 29 is equal to 306. Whether it is quadratic equation? Yes, we will check. X into x square. We have to multiply by x to this term x square. X into 29x. Then 3 into x 3x. 3 into 29. How much? 3 into 29. 2 into 39 is 87 is equal to 306. Correct? So 3 into 29 is equal to 87 is equal to 306. So x square plus 29x plus 3x total 32x correct? 32x plus 87 minus 306 is equal to 0. We will write like this. Carries minus 306 also. 306 this side. What is the answer of this? That is equal to x square plus 32x. Here 80 plus 87 306. What is the answer? 87 plus 87 minus 306. What is the answer? What is the answer here? 219. 219 plus or minus? Minus 219 is equal to 0. Whether it is quadratic equation? X square is there, therefore it is a quadratic equation. So this is a quadratic equation. How to solve? We will learn in another class. So like this, we will check the equation is quadratic equation or not. ಹೀಗೆ equation quadratic equation ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಯುವ. You will learn in another class. Okay, so concentrate on the studies because you are going to appear for the public examination this year. Is it? You have to learn more and more. You have to get information more and more from your textbook. Okay, try to understand all the concepts. Okay, then try to do some of the questions from the exercise. If it is not possible with you, it's okay. You will learn after the regular commencement of the classes. ಓಕೆ, ಆದಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗಳು ಅದು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗದಿದ್ದರೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರಲಿ. ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಬರುವಾಗ ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಬರುವಾಗ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಲೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇನಫ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಸಮ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಫೇರ್ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್, ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ರಫಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ, ಫೇರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇನಫ್ ಇನ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ classes. After the commencement of the regular classes, it is very useful for you. Okay, so I hope you will do. Thank you for watching my video. See you in our next video. Thank you.